Welcome to the BMC Remedyforce Summer 16 Early Access Program. My name is Virginia Leandro, and I'm one of the product managers for BMC Remedyforce. In this video, we're going to cover an enhancement we've made to the way you schedule blackout periods. Blackout periods are typically defined as periods of time when a service can have no changes made during a critical time for the business. An example of this would be servers that support sales functions should have no changes made to them the last 3 weeks of a given quarter. This is our legal notice letting you know that what we are demoing today is regarding a future product. This information is provided under NDA and our safe harbor statement applies. Any purchasing decision should be based on what is generally available today. While a blackout period is designed to make sure that no changes occur to a given service, we all know that things happen. Maybe a router decided to take a nosedive during this period. As you race to recover, you'll want to be able to create a change and schedule it during the blackout to capture all the information in real time. We now allow you to do this. Let's have a look. Before we can do anything, we need to modify the user page layout. You get to selectively decide of your staff who is allowed to create and schedule changes during a blackout period. In the quick find in the upper left-hand corner, we'll type in users. And we're specifically looking for users page layouts. Next, we're going to modify the Remedyforce page layout. Remember, if you're using a custom user page layout, then that's the layout you would want to edit. From the available fields, find and drag the Override Blackouts checkbox and place it in the Remedyforce section. And we'll go ahead and save our change. Next, we'll go to Manage Users, and I'm going to modify the Remedyforce Administrator and make sure that they can override blackouts. Next, we'll go to Remedyforce Administration and actually create a blackout period. We'll select our service, and this is going to be an email service. This is going to be, we'll call this maintenance, and we're going to make sure that we mark this as a blackout period. We're going to have a start date of today, and we'll do an end date of later on this morning. And we'll go ahead and save the change. Now we'll go to Remedyforce Console and we'll create a change. And remember, I'm logged in as Remedyforce Administrator, so I've been given the ability to make this change. We'll select our initiator, we'll select our category. And for category, I think we'll just say this is a network issue. This is going to be an emergency. It's also significant. And now we're going to schedule it for 8 a.m., which will fall within our blackout. And we'll say this will go till 9 for this particular change. Notice that our message changes. A service outage exists within the selected start and end dates for the change request. To see the conflicts, click here. So we actually give you a link to the change schedule, and it actually can show you, it can now show you, we'll change this to 1 day, so we get a little bit more granular, but it'll actually show you when the blackout period is and any of the conflicts. Since we have the ability to go ahead and schedule, we'll go ahead and click OK. Now if we go look at the change schedule, we can see we actually have a change scheduled for this blackout period. Thank you for watching this short overview of how to schedule changes during a blackout when an emergency arises. We look forward to your comments on the upcoming Remedyforce Summer 16 release. Thank you.